What's up everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube paracord community. Today we're gonna create this awesome paracord bracelet designed by Elena Polkanova. So go ahead and check Elena's Instagram page. She has some awesome paracord bracelet there as well. For the full tutorial how to create this 4-strand bracelet core, you can find it into the top right corner of this video in the information cards. Also, the length of the cord used in today's project you can find below this video in the video description. So that being said, we're gonna zoom a bit and we're gonna start with today's project. We're gonna take the right strand, orange, and we're gonna make it from the back into the gap between first and the second core strand from the left side. So from the back through, and we're gonna do the same with the left strand. We're gonna make it across from the back and through the gap between first and the second core strand from this right side. Now we're gonna continue with the sky blue. So we're gonna take the sky blue and we're gonna make it through the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side, like so. We're gonna pull it and then we're gonna cross it and enter it or pull it through the gap between first and the second core strand from the left side. Now we're gonna do the same with the sky blue on the left side. We're gonna make it from the back through the gap and then across and then again through and pull. Now here from the back side we're gonna enter into the gap between sky blue and this black. So into the gap between sky blue and the black, like this, and pull it through. Now we're gonna do the same on the left side. So in the gap between sky blue and the black, but from the back side, like so. And we finished our first weave of today's project. So now we're gonna pull it to make it tight and we're gonna proceed. So once more, right side orange across and through the gap between first and the second core strand on the left side orange from the back and into the gap between first and the second core strand of this right side here. Now when we cross it, we're gonna insert the sky blue from the back through the gap here and we're gonna cross it to this side and from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand on the left side, and do the same with the left strand sky blue. So from the back through the gap and then pull it through from the top side into the gap between first and the second core strand from the right, and now from the back side through the gap between sky blue and the black, and the same with this left strand now, and through. Now pull it, make it tight and proceed. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. As you can see, it's very neat and very beautiful paracord bracelet, and it's also easy and fast to make. So if you like this bracelet, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. So that being said, see you next time. Bye!